This one habit is quietly destroying your Rizq. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Green Diamond, where we talk about faith, finance, and freedom. Today's topic is dangerous. It's a habit that looks small, but it's quietly destroying your Rizq. You might not even realize you're doing it, but it's blocking your barakah. Let's talk about it. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we share 2 videos, practical tips and spiritual reminders to protect your Rizq. Part 1. The habit of complaining. The habit is simple: complaining. We complain about money. We complain about prices. We complain about people, the system, the weather, even our own lives. And we think it's harmless. Just words, just venting. But in the unseen world, every complaint is a rejection of Allah's qadar. Every complaint is a signal to your mind: I don't like my life. I don't believe things will get better. And guess what? Your mind listens. It shuts down your creativity. It stops looking for solutions. It starts proving you right. Part 2. How negativity blocks Rizq. Negativity is like a fog. It clouds your vision. It repels people. It blocks opportunities. Imagine this. Would you hire someone who always complains? Would you invest in someone who always sees problems? Would you trust someone who always blames others? Now imagine what happens when you do that to yourself. You become your own barrier. You close your own doors. And worst of all, you push away barakah, because barakah lives in gratitude, not in grumbling. Part 3. Replace complaint with gratitude. So what's the solution? Gratitude. Even when it's hard, even when you're broke, even when you're tired, say, Alhamdulillah for the little I have. Alhamdulillah for the strength to keep going. Alhamdulillah for the lessons in this struggle. Because when you say Alhamdulillah, you're not ignoring the problem. You're inviting the solution. Gratitude opens your eyes. It opens your heart. And it opens the doors of Rizq. Part 4. Replace complaint with action. The second step is action. Instead of saying, why is life so hard? Ask, what can I do today to make it better? Instead of saying, prices are too high. Ask, how can I increase my value? Instead of saying, no one helps me. Say, I will help myself, and Allah will help me too. Because Allah promised. Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:11. If this message opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Green Diamond for more reminders that heal your heart and grow your Rizq. And remember, complaining is easy, but gratitude is powerful, action is powerful, and Allah is always near. Let's stop the habit that's destroying our Rizq and start building a life full of barakah.